Hi kids, this is Teacher Erica and welcome to math class. Today we are going to talk about subtraction. Everybody please say subtraction. Alright, so these are the parts of subtraction. So we have here the number, which is the top number, 564,318, and then the bottom number, 452,102, and then this number 112,216. So the top number is called minuend. Everybody say minuend. And the bottom number, it is called subtrahend. Subtrahend. And this symbol, it is called minus. Minus is the sign that we are going to use, or we are going to use in subtraction. Alright? Again, please say minus. And the answer is called difference. Difference. Alright? So these are the parts of subtraction. Okay, so you have to remember these rules in subtracting numbers. First rule is, if the top number is bigger than the bottom number, no need to borrow. Okay, the top number shaded in yellow. Okay, 8 here, 8 and 2. 8 is bigger than 2, right? 8 is makwa so no need to borrow. But if the top number is smaller than the bottom number, you need to borrow. Example here. So this is again the top number, shaded in yellow. 4 is smaller than 8. 4 is noikwa 8. Okay? So this time you have to borrow from the number here. Okay? The number before 4 is 1, so you need to borrow from 1. Okay? So these are the rules that you need to remember in subtracting numbers. So let's read first. Question: what is the difference of 564,318 and 452,102? The answer must be the difference of 564,318 and 452,102 is 112,216. Okay, so this is how you're going to write your answer. It must be in a complete sentence. Okay, so first, okay, let's have an example. Question: what is the difference of 546,617 and 207,539? So let's subtract vertically. So this is for you to be easier for you to get the difference of these two given numbers. So you have to write like this: 546,617 minus 207,539, and then write the line. It symbolizes an equal sign. Okay, and now let's subtract. So first we have to subtract digit by digit from this direction going here. Alright, so first we have 7 minus 9. Okay, so let's subtract. 7 is less than 9, right? Or noikwa 9. So it is smaller than 9. Okay, so which means we have to borrow. Alright, you have to remember the rule: borrow from the number 1 here. Okay, So the number 7 here will become 17. So 17 minus 9 equals 8. And then the number 1 here will become 0 because the number 7 here borrowed from number 1. So now it becomes 0. Okay? 0 minus 3. 0 is smaller than 3, right? Or noikwa sum. So you have to borrow from the number beside this number 1. Okay, so the number 6 here will become 5 and the 0 here will become 10. Alright? So 10 minus 3, 7. Okay, 5 minus 5, 0. Okay, now proceed. 6 minus 7. 6 is smaller than 7. Okay, hope is noikwa, jet. So we need to borrow. Okay, by the way, 5 here, they are equal, so you don't need to borrow. Okay, so 5 minus 5, 0. Now here in 6 minus 7, 6 is noikwa or smaller than 7. So we need to borrow from 4. So 4 will become 3 and the number 6 here will become number 16. 16, siphok minus 7. 9. Okay. 3 minus 0. 3 is bigger than 0, so you don't need to borrow, alright? 3 minus 0, 3. 5 minus 2, 5 is bigger than 2, so you don't need to borrow or no need to do anything here, alright? So 5 minus 2 is 3. So the difference of 546,617 and 207,539 is 339,078. Alright? So again, you have to remember the rules in subtracting numbers, okay, so that it will be easier for you to get the difference of the two numbers. Okay? So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!